If your Epic Games download is failing, slowing down, pausing, or throwing an unknown error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that can get your launcher working again fast. We'll cover the most common reasons Epic Games downloads fail, including throttled download speeds, corrupted webcache files, low disk space, and launcher update problems. These steps are simple, safe, and work well for most users on Windows. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. It really helps the channel and it tells me to make more videos like this one. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you want to check is download throttling inside the Epic Games launcher. Sometimes your download is not actually broken, it is just being limited by a setting. Open the Epic Games launcher and look at the top right corner for your profile icon. Click it, then go into settings. Scroll down until you find the download settings section. Here, look for the option called Limit Download Speeds. If that box is checked, uncheck it. This removes the built-in speed cap and can instantly fix downloads that are moving too slowly or constantly stopping. Once you change that setting, fully restart the launcher and try your download again. If that does not fix it, the next step is to clear the Epic Games webcache. This is one of the best fixes for downloads that are stuck, frozen, or showing an unknown error. First, completely close the Epic Games launcher. Do not just minimize it. Make sure it is fully exited. You can check the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen and close it from there if needed. Once the launcher is fully shut down, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the run box. Type %local app data% and press enter. This will take you to your local app data folder. From there, open the Epic Games launcher folder, then open saved. Inside the save folder, look for a folder named webcache. If you also see folders like webcache_4147 or webcache_4430, delete those too. These cache files can become corrupted and stop the launcher from working properly. After deleting them, reopen the Epic Games launcher and try the download again. In many cases, this alone fixes the issue. Now let's check your disk space and installation path. If you do not have enough free storage on the drive where you are installing the game, Epic Games may fail to download, pause unexpectedly, or show an error during installation. Make sure the target drive has plenty of free space for the game, plus extra room for temporary files. It is also a good idea to verify that the installation path is valid and that you have permission to write to that folder. If you are installing to an external drive or a custom folder, try changing it to a simpler location like your main C drive and test again. If the launcher itself is having problems updating or downloading games, the final fix is to reinstall the Epic Games launcher. Sometimes the app files get damaged or the installer runs into permissions issues that a fresh install can solve. Uninstall the launcher, then go to the official Epic Games site and download the latest version again. Install it fresh, sign back in, and test your download. This can bypass a lot of common launcher-related problems and is often the easiest way to resolve stubborn errors. So to quickly recap, first remove download throttling, then clear the webcache, then check your disk space and install location, and if needed, reinstall the Epic Games launcher from the official store. One of these fixes will usually solve the issue and get your download moving again. If this video helped you fix the Epic Games download error, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and quick PC fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.